It's that time of the year. So today we're going to be talking about winter storage. I got to put the fuel stabilizer in the fuel, and this prevents the fuel from gumming up or the fuel separating the ethanol, which creates I don't know, it separates, so the junk sits at the bottom, it gets into your fuel storage and it creates a mess. So I use this here stable fuel stabilizer. It says this one thing treats up to 20 gallons. This ain't 20 gallons, so direction says 30 milliliters treats up to 2.5 gallons. We're gonna give it a quick run, and then we're gonna do another top off and put it away. And you want this to get into your fuel injectors and all that, so that it helps prevent gum up in there also. And it's like 30 degrees outside today. It's a little chilly. Are you even recording? Oh, you are? Cool. Phew, thought I did that for nothing. So we're gonna get the bike warmed up, I'm gonna get dressed up, and I'll see you back on the road. It's cold! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete, they call me Scooby. It's cold today, boys. Should have put some long johns on or something. My legs are really feeling it today. So today we've had quite a bit of snow and ice. I don't know, is there snow over there? No, it's not. It's all melted. But we've had snow and ice, and they've salted these roads. Typically I don't ride right after they salt the road, but it rained afterwards, so I think it's kind of safe to be on the bike. Today it's kind of a sad day because I'm going to be kind of winterizing my bike. I got some fuel stabilizer in the bike. When you typically winterize your bike, you want to change your oils too before the season, because you want to make sure you got nice clean oil in the cases and stuff like that. No junk's hanging around in there for a couple of months, you know, or a few months depending where you live. But I've always changed it in the springtime. I know I'm giving you guys bad advice. So I got my bike's about it's almost 19,000 miles. I don't know if I'm going to do the 20k service at the dealership or if I'm going to do it myself. I'm kind of leaning towards the dealership. I might just do my oil changes and have them go through the rest, like the fork oils and all that other good stuff. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know, man. As you get older, man, I ride my bike usually year-round, but as you get older, this cold weather sucks. It stinks, man. Riding in the cold is horrible as you get older. And I'm kind of, oh, that's a cool bike. Wow, people are washing their cars in 30-degree weather. So I put that fuel stabilizer in there, and I'm just trying to lay down some quick miles just to get that into the fuel system so that my fuel injectors don't get plugged up or whatever. Because if you're not familiar with ethanol, ethanol is horrible. if it's not treated, it separates. And we got 10% ethanol over here. So what happens with ethanol is it gets gummy, and if it sits too long, it starts crystallizing. I don't think you typically notice it on a fuel injected bike. Man, my pin lock is fogging up. I don't get it. Yeah, typically you don't notice that on a fuel injected motors, but I work on small engine repair. I do some small engine repair also, and that stuff wreaks havoc on those little motors. Like, you should see it. It corrodes the fuel, the carburetor bowls, plugs up the fuel injectors. I mean the carburetor injectors. I know we're not. Fuel injection and carburetor is two different things, and typically with fuel injection you don't have to, you know, worry about it too much, but it does do a number on your gas tank. Absolutely does. So you definitely got to treat it, because the fuel will separate in your gas tank also. So that's why I got this, and I'm doing a couple of miles, and then I'm going to top it off and put it away. And it's also a good idea to not start your engine during the cold months, especially if you're not going to ride it, because it will build condensation in like the primary case, your transmission, and it can create a mess, because now your oil will be white and milky because it'll start condensing water, or water will start forming rather. But boy, it's chilly today. Man, I need heated gear. I think if I had heated gear. Oh, my legs are going numb. Okay, legs are going numb. So yeah, we're gonna top this off and wish these guys a happy new year. Hopefully, I don't know if this video is gonna be out before the new year. I doubt it. I should, but if it's not, hope you guys had a happy new year. Fingertips are frozen. Wow. $93 octane. No, I don't want a car wash. Why was it stopped by the operator? I think they're messing with me. They must be messing with me. That's how I like to top it off in the winter. Right to the very brim. Even with the hand guards, the gauntlet gloves, my fingers are still freezing. We are going to stop here for a little cup of coffee. For those of you that are wondering what it feels like to be on a motorcycle in a 38-degree day, Best way I can put it is stand outside so you could tell the difference on a 38-degree day with no wind. It doesn't feel that bad, does it? Now stand outside on a 28-degree day with wind. That's the difference. It's cold. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification for future content. I wish I had heated gear. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.